to insert the watermark in the Word file. So by using watermark, you can place the picture or word in the Word file. So watermark should look transparent. So for example, I am going to insert picture in this Word file. So first for that you have to click open the Word, and then you have to go for insert, and then you have to choose watermark. So here there are three options. First one is no watermark, second one is picture. Picture means if you want to select a picture or if you want to insert a picture, you can choose this option, select picture. Or if you want to type a word as a watermark, you can type it here. So first I am going to insert the picture in this Word file. So first for that I have to choose this select picture. I am going to click this select picture. So you can choose a picture. After clicking the select picture, you can choose a picture which are placed in the desktop or some other folder. So after choosing the picture, you can see the watermark here which is pasted in the Word. Now I am going to insert word as a watermark in this Word file. So for that I have to choose insert, again go for watermark. So now I am going to choose, or I am going to type some word here. For example, I am going to type physics. So here by clicking this size of the words, you can choose the size. So for example, I am keeping it as 120, means here size is varying, and which font do you like, you can choose it. So for example, I want to choose Times New Roman. And which color do you want? If I want to choose red color, means see here text has been changed into red color. Suppose if you want to choose another color, means blue. So like that. So now I am going to choose red color, and then I can choose size of the text, and then I can choose font of the text. Like that you can choose the type of the watermark. So after typing the watermark letters, you can click OK. So now it is placed as a watermark in the Word file. How to insert smartart in the Word file? So for that, first you open the blank document and then click smartart. So here you can see the different types of smart arts. So whichever you want, you can choose it. For example, I am going to choose this one, means. So by clicking this, you can able to choose this one. So after clicking this, you can able to type the text inside of this box. Also you can able to change the color. So for example, if I want to change the color, means just click here, see here which color do you want, you can choose. So for example, I am going to choose this color, means automatically it will change to this color. So whichever color do you want, you can change here by clicking the color option. And if you want to type the text, means you can directly type the text. For example, I am going to type chem. So like this, you can able to type the text. So like this, you can able to type the text. So suppose if you want to increase the boxes, or if you want to change the designs, means just click on this option text pen and click the plus symbol, so that you can increase the number of boxes by clicking this plus symbol. So also by typing here like this, you can able to type the letters inside of the box. So suppose if you want to delete this box, means by clicking minus symbol, you can able to delete the boxes. Also if you want to change the position, means by clicking upper arrow or down arrow, you can able to change the position. See here position of the boxes are changing by clicking upper arrow and down arrow. Also by clicking this arrow, you can able to move this box into left side or right side. So like this, by clicking plus arrow, you can able to increase the boxes. by clicking minus you can able to decrease the boxes.